Hey guys, welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. Today's episode is going to feature a quintessential flavor for the holidays. This is a chewy gingerbread cookie, kind of like a ginger molasses cookie. I've been loving this during the holidays and I've tested it quite a few times and I've finally come up with the perfect ratio of everything and it really works. You guys are going to love it. So let's go over the ingredients. So I have butter and sugar, some molasses, a little bit of water, 1 egg. I'm gonna zest a little bit of this orange. And in here I have all-purpose flour, ginger powder, cinnamon, baking soda, and this is pumpkin pie mix, but if you don't have that, you can totally use like nutmegs or cloves or just grate, those kind of fall flavors. But ginger and cinnamon also just work fine as they are. So I'm gonna start first by combining all my wet ingredients, starting with the butter and the sugar. So if the cookie that I'm making that day is requiring softened butter or melted butter, I will usually mix the butter and the sugar together with my spatula, and then I'll switch to a whisk and just kind of fluff it up and cream them together a little bit better. That's just how I typically do it. Okay, these are creamed together pretty well. I'm gonna add my egg. Now I'm gonna add my water and my little bit of molasses. So molasses is one of those ingredients that you don't want to overdo. When I was testing this recipe, I found that citrus goes really well and it kind of helps to brighten the flavor of the heavy molasses. But also if you add too much, it can almost make your product taste kind of barbecue saucy. So as long as you have the right amount of molasses, you're good. The gingerbread color is starting to develop, starting to look like gingerbread mousse, which is perfect. I'm going to zest my orange, and really you only need the zest of about half of an orange. You're not looking for it to develop like an orangey flavor, you just kind of want to wake up those flavors. Ooh, and instead of the water, you could put like a little bit of orange liqueur. All right, that is good. Just want to get this all out. And I'm going to keep mixing and then add in my dry ingredients. Just kind of want to mix these dry ingredients slightly. And then I'm just going to add them all into the batter and then fold it with my spatula. Using your spatula to fold in your dry ingredients will prevent you from over mixing, which you could do a little bit easier with your whisk. So the dough is pretty much combined. I am just going to get these little bits of flour that are sticking to the bottom. I'm gonna let the dough chill for about 30 minutes in the fridge, and then I will meet you back here before we put them in the oven. So the dough's chilled for about 20-30 minutes. I'm gonna start putting them into little rounds on my baking sheet that I lined with parchment paper. So last one is ready. What you could do is take each of these and roll them in some sugar before you bake them. I truly don't think it needs it, but if you're like a textural person and you kind of like that crunch, by all means, it'll turn out the same, it'll bake the same way, but I prefer to do it like this. So I don't have enough room to bake all this dough on one sheet. I'm actually going to save the rest of this and freeze it for a later date. These are gonna go into an oven preheated at 375 for about 12-ish minutes. Be sure to leave a little bit of space in between each ball of dough. They are gonna spread slightly, so these are gonna go in and I'll meet you back here when I'm ready to eat them. They just came out of the oven. They're looking perfect. You can see the little crinklies on top of them and the bottom is golden brown. And when that happens, you know that it's perfect. They're gonna be nice and chewy in the center. I'm ready. Ooh, and you can still see the little flecks of the orange zest. It's everything you want in a gingerbread cookie. It's still tender on the inside, it's chewy, it's got the crisp edges and the nice texture on top. Like I mentioned, you could totally run them through some sugar before you bake them, or you can even finish the top of them with a little bit of powdered sugar and just dust it over the top. I'm good just like this. Dip this in some coffee or some tea. Forget your avocado toast. It's all about gingerbread cookies during the holidays. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and give these a try. They're so easy and they freeze really well too. So you can prepare them now and get them ready for the big day. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I sure enjoyed filming it and I sure am gonna enjoy eating these. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of when I post a video. All the information will be in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. We'll see you next time.